In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PowerPoint background in just about 5 minutes. This simple yet effective tutorial is designed to help you elevate the look of your presentations, ensuring they not only capture, but also retain your audience's attention. So, whether you're preparing for a corporate meeting, a classroom presentation, or just looking to improve your PowerPoint skills, you've come to the right place. Let's start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint is a versatile tool used worldwide for creating engaging presentations. Once you have the program open, it's time to dive into the specific presentation you want to work on. Navigate to the File menu and click Open. From here, you'll search for the file you're planning to enhance today. Double-click your file or select it and press Open to load your presentation into PowerPoint. Now that your file is open and ready to go, let's focus on adding a new background. First, you need to decide which slide you want to change the background for. You might want to apply a new background to all your slides, or perhaps just a single one for emphasis. Once you've made your selection, click on the slide. This action will open a context menu filled with various options, but for now our focus will be on changing the background. In the context menu, look for the option labelled Format Background. This function allows you to modify the background of your chosen slide in several ways, including color, texture, pattern, and even inserting a picture. Click on Format Background to open the Format Background pane, which will appear on the right side of your PowerPoint window. With the Format Background pane open, your next step is to select Solid Fill. This option allows you to choose a solid, uniform color as your slide's background. It's a great way to add a professional or thematic touch to your presentation. The solid fill choice presents you with a more straightforward, cleaner look, which is often the best choice for maintaining focus on your content. Now, having chosen solid fill, it's time to pick your color. Just below the solid fill selection, you'll find the fill color option. Clicking this will reveal a color palette from where you can choose any color that suits your presentation's theme, mood, or branding guidelines. Microsoft PowerPoint offers a wide range of standard colors, but if you're seeking something more specific, you can click More Colors to access a much broader spectrum. This feature enables you to find the exact shade or tone you're looking for, ensuring your background perfectly complements your presentation's message. After selecting your desired color, the change will apply immediately, transforming the background of your slide to the color you've chosen. Take a moment to review your slide, make sure the color works well with your text and any other elements you have on the slide. A good contrast between your background color and your text color is crucial for readability and overall aesthetic appeal. That's it, you've successfully changed the background of your PowerPoint slide. These steps can be repeated for as many slides as you'd like, enabling you to customize each one to fit the overall narrative and aesthetic of your presentation. Remember, a well-chosen background can significantly enhance the impact and professionalism of your presentation, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles until you find the perfect match for your project. Before wrapping up, I'd like to share a few additional tips. First, consider the context of your presentation when choosing a background color. Bright, vibrant colors might be perfect for a creative presentation, but less suited for more formal or corporate settings. Second, remember the importance of contrast for readability. Always ensure there's a good balance between the background color and the font color. And finally, don't overlook the power of a consistent theme. If you're presenting multiple slides, a cohesive color scheme can tie them all together beautifully, making your presentation more cohesive and engaging. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adding a background in PowerPoint. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to play around with the different options PowerPoint offers to discover new ways to make your presentations even more compelling. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.